raindrops.
When the sunlight strikes raindrops in the air, they act as a prism and form a rainbow. The rainbow is a division of white light into many beautiful colors. These take the shape of a long round arch with its path high above and its two ends apparently beyond the horizon. The rainbow passage. When the sunlight strikes raindrops in the air, they act like a prism and form a rainbow. The rainbow is a division of white light into many beautiful colors. These take the shape of a long round arch with its path high above and its two ends apparently beyond the horizon. When the sunlight strikes raindrops in the air, they act like a prism and form a rainbow. The rainbow is a division of white light into many beautiful colors. These take the shape of a long round arch with its path high above and its two ends apparently beyond the horizon. When the sunlight strikes raindrops in the air, they act like a prism and form a rainbow. The rainbow is a division of white light into many beautiful colors. These take the shape of a long round arch with its path high above and its two ends apparently beyond the horizon. Hi, this is Victoria. I'm a 50-year-old TS girl and I had my surgery at the Yeson Voice Center in May 2013. This video is recorded in June 2014, so I'm 1 year post-op. I'm going to discuss and share with you the results of my operation of vocal feminization surgery. Of course, you do realize that the decision to take such a surgery is very obvious. We want to be passable in the society, and this is a very important thing for us, especially for me, because my transition took place at a very old age. I transitioned when I was 46 years old. Because I also studied classical singing, and I wanted to take my diploma in opera singing. I was speaking in a very low voice, and I was a bass. So when I transitioned, my appearance was very passable, but my voice was not at all. So people who looked at me thought that I was a very nice lady, but when they talked to me, they thought that I was a man. I took the decision to take the surgery at the Yeson Voice Center when I talked on Skype with a friend of mine who had the surgery at the Yeson Voice Center, and when I recorded our conversation in Skype, I found out that my voice was completely male, and her voice, only after two months after her operation, was a female voice. So I contacted with Jessie, who is a very lovely young girl, who is in charge and who will help you make all the arrangements to have the operation. She was always very kind and very helpful to answer all the questions I had about the operation. If you want to take this surgery, you only have to think that you will take a 10 days trip to Seoul. Seoul is a lovely city, and the citizens there are very friendly and very helpful to tourists. When I arrived in Seoul, I visited the center, and I could see myself that it was a very professional center. And when I met Dr. Kim, who is the doctor that performs our operation, I was sure that this was the man that could help me with my vocal feminization surgery. He speaks very well English, and speaking with him, you will get convinced that he knows what he's doing and that he's got the experience to do this very well. I had the operation. Of course it is total anesthesia, but when I wake up in my room, I had no pain at all, and I had no dizziness at all. Comparing to all my other surgeries, especially FFS, this was piece of cake. So at noon I had my soup, and in the afternoon I left the Yeson Voice Center to arrive at my hotel, where I rested. I think that after 2 or 3 days there was no problem for me to go out for sightseeing. The only problem is that you cannot speak for 10 days. You have to follow very carefully all the instructions given from the Yeson Voice Center. The most important thing is not to catch a cold, but after 1 or 2 months, I don't remember exactly when, you have to start exercising your voice, and you have to do these exercises for 10 minutes every morning and night. This is a very vital thing, because after the operation you have your cords that are very short and thin, but you got used to speaking in a certain way, and you have to change this. As a male, we used to talk with a register on the chest, but now we have to change this and speak with the register on the face. This is very vital, and once you get used to this new posture of your voice, you will have great examples. Of course, the voice is weak the first 2 months, and then with exercising it gets stronger and stronger, and you will get the final results after 6 months, but you will be really sure and confident about your voice when you do a lot of exercise, and I think after 1 year really. If I can sing, yes, I can definitely sing, but because I trained as a professional singer, now I need to start taking classes again and posture my voice in a female range, and this will take for me some time because I want to present a very professional work. So when I get ready, I will prepare another video with my new singing voice, comparing to my old opera voice as a bass. I think that you can hear the results of my voice, and I hope you will make the right decisions for you too. Thank you so much for listening.